Welcome back. Today, we will learn how to grant permission or add someone to a YouTube channel, essentially providing access to others. Let's get started. Open YouTube and navigate to your profile icon. Click on View Your Channel. Proceed to Customize Channel. Scroll down and click on Settings. Within the Settings menu, select the Permissions option. Currently, I am the sole member of this channel, but let's add a manager. Click on Invite, offering various options for granting access. Opt for Manager and enter the email address of the person you wish to invite. You can specify the type of access they will have. Click Done. Now, you'll notice a pending invitation, awaiting acceptance. The invitee will receive an email notification. Click on Save to confirm. Following this, we need to verify the process. Click on Proceed, which will redirect you to your Google account. Enter your password. And if you have additional security measures, like a two-step verification code sent to your mobile phone, input the required information. Ensure not to alter any settings, and simply correct any typos or sentences as needed. This step concludes the process of adding a manager to your YouTube channel.